All right, welcome to the Romanian countryside, everybody. We're absolutely loving this accommodation. It's called La Saivan, which literally means the farmhouse. So this building behind me is the original building on the property, and they've since added these three all original, roughly 100-year-old houses from around Romania.
Right.
So to get here, we actually had to drop off our car at a gas station and jump in a big truck and drive right across the river, which was an exciting entrance.
From here, you can.
Okay. And the minute we arrived on the property, we were greeted with a lovely welcome drink. Sure. Thanks, Benny. Here we are, a little welcome drink. Palinka. In the outdoor kitchen here. What could be better?
Wow, look at this.
Palinka.
All right.
Palinka.
Okay.
Yes.
Let's do a cheers.
Yes.
Noroc.
Cheers. Noroc. Sănătate.
Noroc.
Well,
Drink everything or sip?
Yes.
Everything. Wow. Everything.
Okay.
Welcome.
Thank you.
My friend.
Wow, Noroc.
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 Oh. Nice and warm.
Yeah.
Now dancing.
Dance. Very nice. Thank you. What a welcome.
Right after our welcome drink, which was in the incredible outdoor, all original kitchen, we actually walked through our 100-year-old house, which was like mind-blowing. Check this place out.
Welcome to our home.
Guys, check this out. Early favorite for best accommodation of the year. Check out this lounge area, this den, all for us. This, I believe, is an all original fireplace, potentially made from mud. You've got fire in here. I think this one is for warming up the room. I think this is potentially for cooking. We can put some wood in there, make a fire, get some tea going.
I'm feeling cozy.
Look at this place. It's amazing. Everything made from wood. The chandelier is from antlers.
Wow. It's amazing.
This is incredible.
Let me show you our bedroom.
Wow,
Look at
guys. This is really something. Come. Beautiful bedroom. Love the furniture, all wood. Again, everything made from wood. Our bed looks absolutely fantastic. Cannot beat it. Top to bottom, all the details, everything is just perfect.
I'm loving this place already.
And I guess the idea is you would rent this place with your family and or your friends.
Because they have another bedroom.
Second bedroom, also beautiful wood furniture. Love the wood headboard. Looks like $1,000,000. And we haven't even got to the best part, to be clear. The best part is coming now. Quickly we'll do the bathroom. Loving the tub. Very nice. I'm sure Ivana will have a bath. Love the sink pedestal, all made from wood. Very, very nice. And here is the best part. And you can see my little slippers here. Very festive, but this to me is just amazing up here. You've got this sort of lounging area, all these really beautiful chairs, couches, wingback chairs. The table seems to be like a treasure chest. It says 1890 on it, which is amazing. This table is some sort of press. You can see you would spin this and do something, repurpose as a table. And I love the internal balcony. You can see Ivana down there jamming out. I mean, what a place. Absolutely cannot beat it. 5-star, 6-star, incredible accommodation. And I think there's tons of activities we can do.
Yeah,
so let's go figure out what we can get up to. There's tons of stuff to do.
Cannot wait.
Let's go. So yesterday we did take a tour of the barn, which is a fully functioning barn. Rabbits, pigs, chickens, ducks. There's a horse named Stella, who is like the biggest, most strongest horse I've ever seen. Really a workhorse. A whole bunch of cows.
Moo. Wow, look at this.
Big, strong, healthy cow.
Yeah.
What's
Wow.
I don't know. Okay.
No name. Oh, look at the background.
They're wild animals. They're not wild, but they're live
They're
animals.
farm animals. Farm animals. Right.
Sheep,
Goats.
goats. This really is a functioning farm. It's so nice to hang out. And we actually discovered Ivana's calling in life. She is an amazing egg collector. Ivana's finding eggs in the barn.
Eggs.
Oh, more.
Fresh eggs.
More.
Wow.
Is it warm in your hand?
No, it's cold.
It's cold. Wow. And one of them is orange.
Yeah.
Nice. 10 eggs. No. 8.
This one is small. Should I pick it up still?
Yeah, get it, man. Yeah. Not gonna grow.
True. They're not gonna grow.
10 eggs.
So cute. This one.
Wow, you're a farmer,
In
babe.
the barn. Look at this. This is gonna be breakfast for tomorrow.
Ooh,
Our breakfast.
10 egg omelet. Okay, Ivana. We increase the difficulty.
Okay.
You gotta get the egg from underneath the chicken.
I'm so nervous on this one.
Oh my gosh, this is
I can get it. I can get this one.
Go ahead, Ivana.
Really? How?
No problem, Ivana. Excuse me.
Okay, look at this, guys.
Whoa, you hit the jackpot, Ivana. 6 eggs. 5 eggs. Whoa, look at your Easter basket.
Go for breakfast. Very nice.
Good job, Ivana.
Now after the chicken, we're collecting duck eggs. Look at this.
Duck eggs.
Okay.
Now the
Over
ducks,
there.
the ducks
Oh.
like to bury their eggs in the mud and sort of hide them. See, they
Yeah.
kind of hide it on purpose. They do like this. So they kind of roll it in the mud and make it.
Yeah.
Go ahead, Ivana, don't be shy. That girl, you're a farmer, babe.
Oh, they just like hatch it everywhere.
Yeah, they just drop it everywhere. Oh, one there, big one. Oh, that's a big duck egg, no? Oh, look at a dinosaur egg.
Clean it.
We can have a duck and chicken egg omelet.
Yeah.
Mixed species omelet. We also took a tour of the shepherd's house just here on the hill because there is a shepherd here with maybe 100 sheep or 75 sheep or so. Really incredible.
So this is the shepherd's house. Look at this. It looks kind of cozy actually.
Cozy.
With a fireplace.
This is where you put your fireplace, and this is where they are making cheese. You can see the roof is all black from soot and smoke from the fire.
Yeah.
This is where they're making cheese with no new technology. All
Yeah.
original, hundreds of years old.
You can see.
Cheese making factory.
I think they put cheese here.
Yeah, put it up to dry here or something like this. Unfortunately, we were a little bit late for cheese making season.
Yeah.
So if you're coming here, which you definitely should, come before September, and you'll be able to make some cheese.
That's right.
Literally from cow to mouth.
Right.
Full process.
Look at this.
What do you say, Ivana? You can
Not
sleep
so
there?
bad.
You can sleep there? And later on in the day, we discovered what is not my calling, let's say, as a cow milker. First time ever attempting to milk a cow.
Wow. Ready to try, Steve?
He makes it look easy. True, right?
Yeah. Okay, time for Steve to try.
Please sit. Sure. Go. Yes. Așa. Trebuie să mult din partea cealaltă eu ca să stai aici. Da? No?
Dry, empty.
Try again.
To squeeze really hard.
Squeeze really hard.
Așa, strâns și jos.
Pull it down.
But not from there. From just grab it. No? Nothing?
So?
I feel bad.
No. Just
Look this, look this way, Steve, for thumbnail. Look this way for thumbnail.
Try with the other. Try with the one from behind, yeah. Try. Drop.
I got one squirt.
Yay!
Oh! Yeah, yes. She's coming.
Yay! Look at this.
This one over here is working, but this one, the front one's not working anymore. Okay. Totally failure to launch, but the back one is working good. Yo, I'm fully
job,
milking
Steve.
this cow.
Good job. Look at
Yo,
this
I'm
guy.
fully milking this cow.
Yay! We got milk.
Yo.
We got milk. So how
I will
hard,
say, it feels super gross on my hands.
how hard do you need to pull it?
Like way harder than I thought.
Oh,
I was
okay.
being way too gentle. This girl is feeling no pain.
Look at this. Alright. Look at this.
I will
So?
say, my hands feel so gross. City boy milking a cow.
Good job, Steve.
Also amazing how thin the stream of milk is.
Ah.
It's like 5 milliliters per tug, and you gotta get the whole bucket full. His is much faster than mine.
Wow. He just went away.
I'm grateful for the experience. I will say the cow did not appear to be hurt by what I was doing. I didn't want to injure the
used to it.
thing. He was
Sis
gonna get
used
mad at me or something.
Sis used to
But definitely came in way too gentle. You gotta really. My hands feel gross. I need a bar of soap immediately.
Good job, Steve.
That was fun though.
Good job.
Don't high five me. My
That's
hands are
probably
gross.
gonna be our breakfast for tomorrow.
There you have it. There you have it. Breakfast is on me.
So you see how the master is doing it. He's
Yeah,
much
look
faster.
How much milk is coming out compared to mine? Probably biggest issue is I have no confidence and I was nervous and hesitating.
You're scared
He's
to
like
hurt
this,
her.
blah, blah, blah. I'm like this.
Yeah, you were nervous to hurt the cow.
Yeah,
but,
nervous to hurt the cow.
You need to pull that thing, the milk.
And kind of massage it too.
Yeah.
And honestly, it doesn't feel nice.
Weird. Your first time. Good job, Steve.
Hey, it was a success. Milk came out, which was
Okay.
better than I thought I would do.
All right. Cool. All right.
There you have it, guys. So that was memorable, although sort of a fail.
What an experience.
We did have dinner in the outdoor kitchen. They have
Mm-hmm.
heaters in there. It's really nice. And we had to have a dairy-free dinner because I only got this much cow from the milk. No, I'm kidding. But really, really lovely dinner. We had some local beers.
Right.
Did a taste test. And really, really loved our first day
lovely.
here. What we love about this place is it's sort of a perfect blend of structure and do whatever you like.
Yeah.
Obviously, one of the best activities is just admiring the valley,
Oh yeah.
admiring the scenery. The property is beautiful. The town is beautiful. Even the plants and insects on the plants are very appealing to look at.
Everything here
It's
is beautiful.
very, very relaxing. We do have a couple of big activities planned today, namely the horse ride on a carriage or some type of wagon through the forest and into a picnic for lunch. So this is sort of our big event, and then in between each big activity you choose, you just sort of hang around and pet the animals and enjoy
Right.
the property.
Right.
So it's sort of a perfect blend of structure and then just wander around and feel free on the farm.
Yeah, just relaxing, really.
It's really nice to be on a farm. There's a puppy. So cute. There's a bunch
So
of cats. It's
cute.
just really, really great. And they've got this fence here. So in the housing area where we stay, there's no animals, there's no poop, there's no nothing.
Yeah.
And then once you cross the fence, you're into farmland.
Yeah, the barn and farm.
It's
It's
like
just-
a luxury farm accommodation.
It's just going back in time.
It's really, really great. So I
Yeah.
think in an hour or two, we will be on the carriage and or wagon to a picnic. What could be better than that?
Ooh, I'm
Let's
excited.
go. Come
Let's
on.
go. Time for the horse carriage.
Good job.
We have been seeing this all over the roads, all over Romania, so it's cool to actually ride it.
Our picnic basket here.
They prepared food.
Our steed here. We're ready to rock. Let's go. I'm excited. This is the full Romanian experience. Come on. Good job to Dan. Dan the horse.
Dan the horse.
Through the water, downhill, uphill, rocks, mud, you name it. Check this out. Now that we're on the road, heads up. Now that we're on the road, some tourists in a car are gonna drive by, like us, and take video of us.
We might be the first
We're
tourists.
gonna be the locals in the video, in the vlog. What? Awesome, dude. All credit goes to Dan. Let's go! This is really something special. 5 stars, 6 stars, great ride. I will say the top speed is not very high, but it's not so bad because you just admire the scenery, slowly cruising along like a local villager behind the horse. And when we make a turn coming soon, we will use our hand to do a blinker because obviously no electricity on the horse and buggy. Just amazing. Come on.
Yeah,
Can't beat this.
amazing.
Super memorable. Safe left turn. No problem. All right, we're way out in the middle of nowhere now. So I think we're getting pretty close to our picnic spot. This is gonna be exciting.
Oh my god, this is so special.
This is great.
Okay, maybe right here is the right idea.
We have made it, guys. You feel
Okay,
safe?
okay, okay.
Maybe don't step on the tire because the tire might move.
Here,
Step
here.
here, step here, step
Okay,
here.
okay.
Safe for you, safe for you. I jumped out like a Batman.
Alright.
Safe, safe, safe. Boom! Big multumesc to Dana. Sorry, not Dan. Not Dan.
Yeah.
Dana. The horse named Dana. Thank you. Let's go! Classic Romanian style pork and cheese picnic after being taken here by a horse and wagon. I will say the horse's name is Dana, not
Yes,
Dan.
yes.
We're calling him Dan all day. It's a lady horse named Dana. Who names a horse Dan? Am I right? Where should we start? I think I'll make a sandwich.
Alright.
This one is my favorite one actually. This is just straight up, almost like ham. Delicious pork, maybe cured.
Ah.
So good. And I will say, I thought this was compote, but I think they actually packed us some naturally some
Homemade.
alcohol.
Ah, try it, try it. It looks like compote though.
I'm not sure. I'm hungry. Let's eat. I will say this. The back of that horse, when I was on the buggy, I was really impressed by the power of one horse. Because I think of a car, like a nice sports car, has like 300 horsepower. So you think 1 horsepower is probably so little. But honestly, 1 horsepower is a lot.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. And Nikolai, the owner of the horse, was saying how that was light for you, because normally he would carry like watermelons and
maybe a whole
dirt.
thing full of dirt
Yeah.
or soil. Yeah, he said it's a light load for him. This is easy. And I was like, man, I was so impressed. He could go uphill and accelerate uphill, no problem in the mud and the rocks, and he could really, you know, take off uphill.
Right.
And then if he wanted to, he would, you know, go quite fast, and we'd all go, whoa, and almost fall back. Oh, he had to go quick, you know. So he was very impressive. Oh, these might be the eggs Ivana picked yesterday.
Yeah.
Duck egg and 2 chicken
And
eggs.
the cheese, they homemade cheese.
Homemade cheese, come on.
They make in house.
Yo, what could be better than this? Is that too much for a
Very
sandwich?
nice. No, it's
Don't
okay.
be shy, man. There you go, man, with little tomatoes, and then you're set.
What a nice thing they packed for us.
So nice, right?
Yeah. This is kind of, it looks like a meatloaf or something.
Would you go 1 piece of bread or 2 pieces of bread? Would you go like this?
Maybe 1.
Maybe 1. Let's put a little Salt Bay.
Okay, try. I think normally people don't eat this as a sandwich. How's the meat? Very nice. But look at this. This looks interesting. It looks like it has some meat, organs, and pork fat.
Gelatin and
And
stuff.
some gelatin thing going on.
This one's interesting.
Interesting.
This one is very good.
That's the meat.
I'm not sure it's smoked. It might be cured.
I don't know.
Very flavorful.
And
salty, delicious. This cheese is nice.
Oh.
This cheese might be more salty.
Oh,
Yo,
we
come
got
on,
two
look at this
types.
spread
Two
here.
types of cheese. Wow.
Look at the spread here.
And some sausages. Okay, let's eat and enjoy.
Let's eat. Yo, guys, this meat is so good. It's pork meat. I think the outside looks like it's been smoked. But the inside, it almost tastes like it's raw.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean?
The texture.
Not in a bad way. Raw sounds bad, but it tastes like so tender and like it
Yeah.
hasn't even seen heat yet. Maybe it's cured. I don't really know. But whatever this is, 5 stars. This
Yeah, it's
chunk
good.
of pork, absolutely 5 stars. Now Ivana's been eating this special-looking creation, which we're not sure if it's.
Yeah, I'm not sure what part of the animals I'm eating. I think it's a mix of organs
Yeah.
and meat
Yeah.
and fat
Yeah.
put together, held by this gelatin kind of substance. So, but it's good. I like
Good.
it.
You're liking
Yeah.
it. Ivana is the best eater. She always finds a good part of the food. So this is a little bit much for me, but Ivana's into it.
And I was eating something crunchy, I think, from this mix. I'm wondering if it's the pig's ear.
Maybe ear, yeah. I would imagine nothing goes to waste in these villages. They eat it all.
Yeah, that's true. But it's good anyway.
Yeah, good. Look at all this. We got this, which is another piece of pork. Kind
Yeah.
of like a minced meat type deal, where it's almost like a
Meatloaf.
meatloaf. Looks amazing. These 2 big sausages and these 2 small ones. Certainly cannot finish everything. But we'll definitely try each thing and enjoy our time here on the amazing middle of nowhere picnic.
Romanian
Awesome.
countryside.
Awesome. Just great. All right, let's eat and then we'll jump back on Dana.
Don't know.
Let's go.
Oh, I can see cherries in there.
Last clip before we go.
Cherries.
Compote or alcohol? Take a sip.
Alcohol, definitely.
I think it might be alcoholic compote.
Wow.
It's sort of thicker than compote.
Yeah, it's thick.
And it tastes like alcohol.
Yeah.
I don't mind it. Or half a bottle down already. All right, let's go. I'm getting cold. Let's pack up and go back.
Drink to warm you up.
Drink to warm you up. Exactly. Makes sense.
Okay.
And for the way home, I got the best seat in the house.
Look at that.
With my cherry alcohol. Homemade.
All right. Ooh, you're spilling it everywhere.
It's a fail.
Todo bene?
Toto bene. Norok.
Right.
You think it's a wagon? I think it's limousine.
Nice one, Steve. Enjoy it. Todo bene.
Toto bene.
Thank you, multumesc.
Multumesc, Nikolai. Multumesc, Dana.
All
There
right.
you have it, guys.
That
Great
was
success.
awesome.
Great success.
All right.
Let's go have a hot shower and then maybe we'll rest a bit and then
Have dinner. Good.
Fantastic.
Nej, inte penit. Nej.
Okay.
Stat numai acolo și jos.
He's saying he shakes a lot in the back. No problem. No problemo. Okay, guys. Got my blanket on. Looking like I'm from Lord of the Rings or something. Ivana is just resting, and I think we're gonna cook something for a snack before dinner. So it's not quite dinner time yet, but I saw them putting salt right on the hot plate in the old kitchen here. Let's see what we're up to. Little pre-dinner snack. Oh, check this out. The stove is actually all original wood burning. So there's a real fire with logs down below, and up top she's arranged some slices of potato all on top of the salt. So it's potato being fried in salt with no oil, and then since then she's been slicing some pig fat and or pig lard, it looks like, as well as some sheep cheese, which she arranged in a sort of platter. So I think it's salty potatoes and cheese and pork fat. Sounds really good, actually. Sounds like cheesy French fries with some fat in it. So far so good. Getting hungry. Ivana, baby.
Yeah.
I made a snack for you.
Wow.
I made it all by myself.
Whoa, really? You made it?
No, I didn't make it. But try it. It's like a variation of French fries. I tried a few already. It's like the potato is not as cooked as you think it might be. It's very nice because the potato is still
like grilled
half
potatoes.
cooked. It's right on the stovetop with salt. See, the potato was sort of half cooked. Very, very, very nice flavor. I'm a big fan.
Interesting.
What do you say?
Wow.
Like or no like?
I quite like.
Tutto bene or no tutto bene?
Tutto bene.
Delicioso or no delicioso?
Delicious.
Delicioso. Oh, you're going Spanish.
Delicious.
Okay, so I think they're serving dinner soon. This is our pre-dinner snack.
Very nice.
Tutto bene.
I forgot to mention earlier. I love the railing because it has hearts.
So nice. Original 100-year-old
The wooden
heart
structures.
railing.
They're beautiful here.
Very nice. All right, let's eat dinner. So we learned the proper way to eat is like a mountain. Or like a sandwich.
How is it?
I will say, I love the cheese.
Oh, so you got cheese and pork fat.
Cheese and pork fat.
on it,
The pork fat is like cold. I think it was frozen actually.
Wow.
So it's a unique hot and cold thing happening. But I will say the cheese is so good. What was I doing my whole life eating cow cheese? I'm done with cow cheese. I've been reformed.
Look at this.
This is how much food they make for a pre-dinner snack.
Wow.
Oh, yo, yo.
Alright. I'm actually getting hungry.
Getting fatter. Nice though.
Oh my gosh. Look at this mamaliga.
Ooh.
Peppers. Oh my goodness. Looks so good. And my favorite Romanian food, sarmale.
Oh yeah.
Which actually helped make today.
Good job, Ivana.
Yeah. So sarmale, the lady that was making it told me that she put rice and meat and tomato sauce, all the good stuff.
All the good stuff.
Yeah.
And then wrapped in a cabbage leaf. Yo, nice looking dinner. Oh, and these are, I think they're called donuts.
Yeah.
Straight
Romanian
up
donuts.
Romanian donuts.
Should I eat the donuts?
It's time for you to eat your sarmale and see if you did a good job.
Oh my god. I think they actually wrapped this one.
That's yours. You can tell.
Yeah.
Oh, that's yours.
Look at this. Sorry, I'm just eating it with my hand.
No problem, Ivana.
Don't know if you can see the inside.
Oh, yeah.
And of course, the herbs, the dill is so strong. And they actually have wild herbs growing all over the place here.
So it might be fresh from the property.
Yeah, of course, dill and mint all over this place.
Nice.
Yeah, wildly. They grow wildly.
Very, very nice. Okay, Ivana, let's eat. Let's see how far we can go. Because this is a serious feast.
This is so good. I might eat like maybe 3 donuts. No. We'll see.
We'll see. All right, absolutely. Toto bene. Delicioso. What I've learned is mamaliga, the first time we had it was in Bucharest, was okay.
Right.
I was like, okay, it's sort of like mashed potatoes, but it's corn instead of potatoes. It's okay.
Yeah.
In the small villages, the mamaliga is actually sort of the highlight of the meal. It's like actually delicious.
Amazing.
And super craveable and super delicious. And to make it even better, what you do is you sort of take your sheep cheese or goat cheese, whatever you have, and you just sort of smash it up like this, and then you just mix it all together. This is the ultimate Romanian food. No, really. The strong flavor of the cheese inside the beautiful texture and the corn flavor, that right there is what you want. And you can even just eat it, just smush it like this with your fork. You don't even have to scoop, you just smush.
Right.
It's so good.
Yum.
It's really, really good.
Yum.
Mamaliga went from something in Bucharest, was like, okay,
Yeah.
to here it's like,
Yeah.
really, really nice.
To be honest,
5-star Mamaliga.
I wasn't a fan until I came to this region. It's amazing.
Yes. It's like homemade and it's sort of more, the texture is different and it's just better. It's altogether just much better.
Flavors.
Anyway, 5-star food. Really,
So
really
good.
great. And really a 5-star combination, we say that.
Yeah.
6-star, really incredible. We even noticed the fireplace in our room, which is like 100 years old, really cool looking. there's a little cubby on top
yeah.
to sleep in.
That's
so you can
true.
make a fire there and then sleep on top of it and just cook yourself all night and be totally... I might sleep there tonight.
Cozy.
I might sleep there tonight.
Oh, try it.
But there you have it, guys. Amazing combination. What was your highlight? For me, milking the cow was the most memorable. Even though I didn't enjoy it. It was the most memorable. But the carriage ride, the wagon ride, when I was drinking in the back and I was hanging out back there, that was really great too.
Yes.
Really, really great. Would definitely recommend.
The horse wagon was my highlight.
Horse wagon was
amazing,
awesome.
and this place, the view, it's so beautiful. I mean, the whole experience is a highlight.
Top to bottom, very relaxing, but also adventurous. You get to choose. You want to relax more or adventure more. Something for everyone.
And yeah, the food is so
last
healthy.
Saivan.
Okay.
Last Saivan. There you have it, guys. Thanks for watching our video. We should have one more video from here coming tomorrow.
Yeah.
Another unique thing to do.
Stay tuned.
Lots of good stuff at La Saivan. Thank you very much for watching.
Loving it.
Now we eat our Mamaliga and sheep cheese.
All right.
By smushing. It's so good. The cheese is so strong and so nice.
All right. Let's enjoy our meal.
See you guys. Thanks for watching. All right.
Donut time.
End this video strong, babe. Show me the biggest bite you can pull off on that. Yeah! Get it in there.
Oh my God. Amazing.
What's inside? Any kind of stuffing? No, just really fresh dough. There you have it, guys. Romanian donuts in the village after a horse wagon ride.
I'm gonna sleep good tonight.
Same. Thanks for watching.